When equipment needs maintenance, safety starts with one critical step: control of hazardous energy, better known as lockout tagout or LOTO. Every year, workers are injured because machines were started unexpectedly or because stored energy wasn't fully released. OSHA's lockout tagout standard, 29 CFR 1910.147, protects workers by requiring machines to be shut down, isolated, locked, and verified before anyone begins service. Here's how it works. First, notify all affected employees and shut down the equipment properly. Next, isolate the energy sources. That might mean electrical breakers, hydraulic valves, pneumatic lines, or mechanical blocks. Then apply a lock and a tag. The lock keeps the switch in the off position, and the tag tells everyone who placed it there. Finally, verify. Try the controls, check gauges, and confirm the system is truly de-energized before beginning work. Shortcuts like wiping up leaks, placing drip pans, or waiting until the next maintenance cycle won't protect you. The only safe method is lockout tagout. Remember, LOTO prevents accidents before they happen. Control the energy, lock it out, tag it out, and keep everyone safe.